Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's Art by Donna. And today I'm inviting you into a very magical little moment that started of all places right here at my desk. This whole piece was inspired by a beautiful surprise from my husband John. Now if you know John, you'll know he's not usually the matching set kind of guy. He's thoughtful, he's loving, and he's more of this just it feels right shopper than the let's coordinate the whole outfit kind of person. So when he walked in with a hummingbird mold, a hummingbird t-shirt, and hummingbird earrings, all matching, I had to sit back and smile. It felt like the universe tapping me on the shoulder and saying, "Pay attention, there's something here for you." I already knew some of the magic and symbolism behind hummingbirds, but this time I wanted to go deeper. I started thinking about my new birth year ahead, this fresh chapter of life that unfolds after a birthday, and I thought, how does this magic of a hummingbird fit into that? What does it mean for family, for friends, and for my friends on this channel, and for all the stories that we have yet to tell together? What will happen in the year ahead? We don't know the details, of course, but maybe, just maybe, the hummingbird can whisper a little guidance. As I'm working on this tray and this hummingbird today, you'll notice the colors are taken straight from the t-shirt that John found. My favorite shades of green, they're right in there. You know I had to bring the green in. And I've used the same technique that I used on this tray that I shared a few weeks ago. If you watch that video, you'll recognize the way the colors layer and mingle, almost like they're dancing together. Today I tried to recreate that feeling, but the feeling that's also in this t-shirt scene, in a resin form. Not an exact copy, but a loving echo. And at the end, I'm going to attach this hummingbird right onto this tray. Almost like it just paused there for just a moment to rest its wings. Now let's talk about green for a minute. Green for me is the color of the heart. It's the color of healing. It's new growth after a long winter. It's the first leaf that dares to open again. In this piece, the green is holding the space for everything I'm hoping for in the new year ahead. For myself, for my family, and for this beautiful community that we've built here together. Green says, I'm still growing, I'm still learning, and I am still open. It's nature's way of reassuring us that even when we can't see the roots, something is alive beneath the surface. And I think the hummingbird, sitting inside that green world, becomes a symbol of our spirit, darting in and out of the moments that matter most. Hummingbirds move so quickly, but there's always that little pause, that split second where they hover in mid-air, suspended between one breath and the next. And that's the moment I imagine right here on this tray. That pause is where the magic is. It's the moment when time almost stands still and life says, remember this, right here, right now.
We got a lot going on here.
As we come on, Thanksgiving is next week. The idea feels very powerful to me. Life moves fast. Holidays come and go. The years roll by. Children grow. Loved ones get older. And we're always running from one thing to the next. But every so often, there's that hummingbird moment. A tiny shining pause where we're invited to be fully present, to look around at our family, at our friends, at this beautiful community and say, I see you. I am grateful for you. You are a blessing in my life. So this piece, it's not just a pretty hummingbird on a tray. It's a reminder to honor those pauses, to notice those tiny miracles that might otherwise flutter right past us. When I look at this little bird, I think about all the people who have flown in and out of my life, leaving color and light behind them. I think of my husband John walking in with that thoughtful, matching hummingbird surprise, earrings, t-shirt, mold, and how that one gesture carried so much love in it. I think of my family, the ones who are here, and the ones who now visit, more like the hummingbirds, quiet, softly, from another realm, just long enough for us to feel them. And I think of all of you, my subscribers, my members, my Dollar in a Dream supporters, my friends who show up in the chat and who hit that like button, my friends who leave comments and blessings and kind words, and carry me through the days that even though I am struggling, you know that. You're part of this hummingbird energy too. Because to me, this channel is like a big blooming garden. And each of you are part. And those tiny visitors bring movement, color, and life. Every time you stop by, even for just a moment, you leave a little bit of joy behind. You may not realize how much that matters, but I feel it, and I am deeply grateful for you. As I continue working, thinking about what hummingbirds might mean in your life, maybe they remind you of someone you loved and lost. Maybe they feel like an encouragement on a hard day. Maybe they're your sign from the universe that you're on the right path. Even if things still feel uncertain, remember, where hummingbirds go, blessings follow. So imagine this little green world on my tray as a symbol of the year ahead, a year where we invite more blessings in, where we allow ourselves to receive joy without feeling guilty, where we don't dismiss the small things as nothing, because the hummingbird tells us that small is not nothing. Small is powerful. Small is sacred. A hummingbird is the reminder that miracles do not need size to have impact. A kind word, a gentle hug, a text that says, thinking of you, a quick comment under a video saying, I love this. These are hummingbird moments too. They may only take a few seconds, but they can change an entire day for someone else. If a hummingbird pauses in front of you, the universe is saying, I see you and I'm sending you joy. As we head into Thanksgiving, I'm sending you all my love, my gratitude, and a whole flock of hummingbird blessings. Until next time, may you always find the sweetness in life, May your heart stay light, and may you never forget that even the smallest miracle can have the biggest impact. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Aisha's Crafty Kids Club, the Paper Queen, will be following me next. Have a great week, everyone. Have a happy Thanksgiving. Until next time, bye-bye now.